Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss and learn on Code Assist Summarization skill, how to use it and how to implement it. The first thing you need to keep in mind is you should have a creators plugin in your instance. If you don't have it, then please watch my first lecture of the playlist. Let's start this interesting topic, code summarization with practical implementation. As you can see, I have the creators plugin set up on my instance and I have the skill code summarization, code assist summarization. As you can see, I have code assist summarization in my instance. If the creators plugin is installed on your system, on your instance, then only you can see code assist summarization and other skills of the creators. So for now, the code summarization skill is turned off for me. Here is the code. Let me tell you what code summarization do. Like if you have a lot of codes written in your script, you just need to select this, like whatever, like I want to understand the whole function, what the whole function says or what it is saying, right? So you can just select all and you can right click. But as you can see, you will be not having the code summarization here for now. Why? Because the skill is not activated or not turned on for your instance. So let's go here, code assist summarization. Let's turn on the skill. Yeah, so it will take some few seconds of your time. You can see the code assist summarization is now activated. Let's move here. You just need to reload your screen. You reload your instance, otherwise the changes will not be reflected. Let's hold for a while. Let's move to advanced. Here I have a code. Let me paste it here. So this is a code. Let's summarize the code and let's see what it says. So what you need to do is you just need to do Control A, select all, right click, and here you will see summarize code. Earlier you were not seeing because your skill was not activated. Let's summarize the code. So now Assist plugin, Creators plugin has summarized your code for you. You can see like what it is written. This code handles the creation of a new user record based on input parameters received. It first retrieves required user details for the request body, validates, presents missing informations like this. So basically it is like I have created a user, basic structure for how to create a user. So it has created a user for me. Then when I summarize this code, it is saying me the same, like how you can create a user for you. So this ends our lecture here. So this is the plugin for the code assist summarization. Thank you very much guys for listening to my lecture.